you sick of the daily treadmill and the rat race? Or sick of an empty wallet each month? Or just sick of not having enough time off? And sick of making your employer wealthy? Albert Einstein once famously said, "The definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, but expecting different results." Let us show you how to break the cycle. The proven and safest solution is property, but you need to know what type of property and how you can do it without any capital to start with. Property Midas Touch has created 2 online courses which give you all the insights you need to break the cycle and become financially free to do whatever you want. Course 1 covers keeping your day job while still investing in property, and Course 2 is speeding the whole process up just by thinking differently. We promise results with a 90-day money-back, absolutely no questions asked guarantee. Use my 45 years of property experience and save yourself all my trial and error getting the formulas right. Join the many thousands of people worldwide who use property to become financially independent. Please just start on this invigorating and life-altering journey right away.